Hey rally fans, we got another one of these really super deformed ones here. This is by Wonda Coffee. It's a freebie that came with a can of their coffee in Japan. And they had this whole line of these really goofy looking ones with the super small wheels. I did a little research. This number 33 carb, the race driver's name is Nutahara, and this is well, in 2006, these photos, he ran the Monte Carlo rally, and he won a race. I think this was his first and only race. But this is for the production class of the WRC. There's the top level class, it's called WRC, but there's one below called PWRC, and so that's what this is. So it's not going to be as modified as the top level one, but still, I mean, it's still a rally race. It's running the same course, so pretty impressive. Advan is a line of tires by Yokohama, and well, those are kind of gold wheels. So we gotta remember this is a free toy, and toy it is. These wheels are just so small, they're so goofy looking. Anyways, it does say Wanda here, which is nice. You know, it's nice that they write something. And then Rally Japan, that's how I found out this information. I just looked up Rally Japan and Advan, and then it led to those conclusions. There's a lot of tampo printing here, some sponsorship and all this. This is an all plastic body. It's red, casted red, plastic base, screw in front, tab in the back here. But they have a lot of printing here. The taillights, you know, there's actually raised bumps here. It's molded and painted. So printing there. The wing, I'm gonna guess, is a separate piece. Maybe not. I think that's molded there. Wow. They actually mold this as one piece? That's impressive. Okay. There's no clear windows or anything like that. It's just painting black over that red plastic, but there is dimensionality, like the window molding and stuff is sticking out. Printing up here. Yeah, it's all pretty good. The texture in the grill looks nice. The Mitsubishi Diamond looks okay. And then even these little brake vents, I think they are. A little black paint might be used here to make it a little nicer. And then, you know, silver and orange for the headlights. So all things considered, this is pretty nice as far as a free toy goes, because this actually has a lot of details that choro-qs don't. And choro-qs never come free, to my understanding. Maybe they do. Ooh, the motor's totally shot though. So maybe this is actually played with a lot by a kid, and or someone stepped on it, because the motor's not supposed to have a gap like that. Well, I'm not going to play with it, so I don't really care. But yeah, I think that motor's actually split in half right now. Yep, there it is. So if I did take it apart, I'd just squeeze it together and it would work again. But I kind of like it because that might be why it has such a low stance, because it's literally crushed. Alright, let's compare it to a couple of other goofy looking toys. So this Wonda brand, I really wish they distributed worldwide, because I would drink a lot of their coffee just to get their freebies. Here's another one from the same series, I guess. It says the same on the bottom, but this was an Evo9. The internet told me. I'm gonna guess this is an Evo 10. Unfortunately, they don't tell you what the car is. I like this one so much I printed my own 3D wheels and used Hot Wheel Reel Riders on it. I don't like this one enough to do that effort though. So this one just says Wanda but Dakar, so they'd aligned Dakar rally vehicles. And this is a Mitsu Lancer, I think, again, but it's a totally weird one. Yeah, it literally says Lancer on the fender, but it's for the Dakar rally, so it has no resemblance to a road-going Lancer. Another from that same collection here is a Pajero, I think. It has a Mitsubishi on the front. I don't think it says what it is, but it has to be a Pajero. And then choro-q wise, here's a Street Lancer of an Evo 7, it says on the bottom. Some different wheels though. I think maybe the tarmac wheels, I forget. And then this Pajero Evo from the 2004 Dakar Rally by choro-q. And then I 3D printed my own wheels again. It's going too fast. Oh, that was a... There we go. I think it always starts on the fastest setting. Sometimes I forget to slow it down. Alright, well, they're all super deformed. They're all a bit goofy looking. But for me, the favorite is this Pajero. choro-q went all out printing graphics all over that thing. So, it's nice. Alright. I think it's nice that, you know, you can have a miniature toy made of a vehicle you drove professionally. I wish I could have something like that done. So, congratulations, Mr. Nutahara. It may have been your only win, but hey, you're playing in a global game, so it's pretty impressive. And who knows, maybe it was just a car failure. Maybe it wasn't him driving. It could have been the car broke down or something like that later in the season. I don't know. Alright, well anyways, if I run across any more of these Wonda coffee vehicles, I'll definitely pick them up because they're usually pretty cheap because they were always free to someone. Someone, you know, sold this to me. Maybe they bought it from someone. I don't know. I didn't pay too much. Maybe $1 or $2. Alright, I'll catch you in the next choro-q, or, sorry, next Wonda coffee toy review.